Hey, you doing, guys? It's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 7 Artisans 25mm f1.8 prime lens for E-mount, and let's get right to it. So the lens is all metal, and the mount is metal. It seems of a very high quality. The focusing on the lens is pretty accurate, seems to work really well. The focusing ring is very smooth, and it's very easy to operate. Also, the price point of this lens, it's only $69 US, which is pretty amazing. And that's an amazing feat in itself for a lens like this, because you get a lot of bang for your buck. You really do with a lens like this. Now, let's talk about some of the negatives of the lens. And when I first got it, I was shooting with the lens wide open, and there is a little bit of distortion and vignetting in the corners when you shoot wide open with it, which is to be expected with a lens like this of its price point. But when you shoot, you stop the lens down to about f2.8, which is what I did right away. That seems to go away, and the lens performs fantastic. It really does. And that's really the sweet spot of the lens. Also, you can see on the aperture here, the lens has been declicked, which is great for shooting video. You can go ahead and adjust your aperture on the fly. Here's a quick shot with the lens mounted on the Alpha 6500, and it appears to complement the camera really well. Also, I would recommend using a lens hood. The lens does pick up a lot of light pollution even at night, and using a lens hood does help with that. So no lens hood is included with the lens. You'll have to adapt your own. But the mount on the lens is a 46mm, and it's easy to find ND filters if you need it, or other filters. It's a common thread size. So guys, there's a quick look at the 7 Artisans lens. I'll have a lot of cool stuff coming up in the future. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to subscribe to my channel. A lot of neat things coming up very soon. And I have about a minute of video clips of this lens coming up at the end, so you can enjoy those clips and see if this lens maybe is for you. So guys, thanks again for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.